Isn't it crazy that some people will work Monday through Friday, 9 to 9, for the next 40 years of their life, making money for someone else, all in the hope that by the time they're 63, they can retire and live their life? But what if I told you you could start living your life way before that? Like in your 30s or 40s, heck, maybe even 20s. You could travel the world, start that hobby, and do whatever it is that you want with your life. That sounds like a pipe dream, and besides, I wasn't born rich. No need to be born rich, you just need a FIRE number. FIRE? Financial independence, retire early. At its core, it's having enough money invested that you can live on the interest for the rest of your life. What's the number? It depends on your lifestyle and your projected expenses. The simple formula is take your expected expenses, multiply by 25. So if you need $60,000 a year to survive, multiply by 25, you would need $1.5 million invested. What if I'm simple and my expenses are only $30,000 a year? That's called lean fire. You'll only need $750,000 invested. Those of us who need $300,000 a year to live. That's Fat Fire, and you'll need at least $7.5 million invested. In the FIRE community, investing means low-cost, broad-based index funds. Be sure to keep following for more financial independence tips.